Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Power off the Realme 6i completely before attempting recovery procedures. Confirm the screen is black and the device shows no signs of activity. Charge the battery to at least 50% to prevent shutdown during recovery steps. Locate a USB cable and a computer or charger to keep the device powered. Have a backup ready because some recovery actions will erase personal files. Keep the original SIM and micro SD removed to avoid data confusion. With the phone powered off, press and hold volume down and power together until the Realme logo appears. Release both buttons when the logo shows, then immediately press volume up and power together if needed to access the recovery menu. When the recovery menu appears, use volume up and volume down to move between options. Press power to confirm any selection shown on the screen. Do not remove the cable or interrupt the process while navigating menus. First, select Wipe Cache Partition from the Recovery menu to remove temporary files. Confirm the wipe and wait until the process completes, then reboot and check system stability. If instability persists, return to Recovery and choose Factory Reset to restore default settings. Confirm Factory Reset only after backing up important data, because this erases user files and apps. Advanced users can choose Apply Update from A.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.